Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transform any of your photos into a super cool gravity add animations. And the best part, you can do it easily right from your phone and for free. Okay, let's get started. First, we will be using the app called Face. If you don't already have it, just go ahead and download it from the Play Store. And once installed, just open the app and log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface will offer a free package that give you a weekly credit, so you can generate animations or images without spending anything. After you have successfully logged in, you will land on the home page like this, and then just tap on Magic Effects. This is where all the fun styles are located. Now just scroll down and select the effect called Gravity Add. This one. This effect instantly turns your photo into an animated gravity style advertisement. Just tap on it. Next, just upload or select the photo that you like. It could be a portrait, a group photo, or even something random from your gallery. And then Dreamface will automatically apply the gravity animations effect to it. Just tap on plus button and then just choose your photo and then confirm. And then when you're done, just tap on create. And okay, like this, you have got yourself a graffiti styles animated ad like this, and it's completely free. So that's how you can easily turn your photo into a gravity ad animation using Dreamface. It's super quick, simple, and fun to experiment with. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.